Okay, this is my crazy bird friend, and I'm gonna make a video. I've already been hopping around here for quite some time. I'm just trying to figure out what he wants, or what he's trying to do, because I'm pretty sure he comes in from right up in there, somewhere in these rafters. He's poked his head back out there a few times. He's been over there, but he hasn't left yet. So maybe I'm wrong in thinking he accidentally got in here, because he shows up from time to time. It's at least the second or third time. I'm pretty sure it's the same bird. Certainly looks like him. Now he's not doing all the funny things he was doing a minute ago, though. This is why I decided to get the video camera out. Okay, so there you go. He's back up in the rafters, which there's nothing to stop them from coming out at this back part of the garage there, from coming up under there. And I know they have a nest there. So maybe it's trying to collect food for its young. Maybe it's got babies. But yet I don't hear any babies, so I think he knows how to get out. But look, it's coming back again. I'm gonna hop up in that one, and like, surely he knows he can get out through there. I know he can. That's the way he came in. So maybe he just wants to hang out. I think we should give him a name. Or her. Not sure. How do you tell what sex a bird is? Whether it's male or female? See if he goes poking around again. Not sure. Some birds feed on insects and stuff, don't they? I think this guy does. I think that's what he was doing over here earlier. There's a bunch of cobwebs and stuff in those corners. And actually, there's a space right up here. Right up in here. That he hopped right up into for a moment. Poking his head up in and around there. Must be looking for food. That's my guess. At least at this point. Or, like I say, maybe he just wants to hang out. I don't know. Maybe I should post this on Facebook and find out what his name should be. I could let all my friends on Facebook decide your name. Maybe they could tell me if you're a boy or a girl. Alright, so maybe he's not going to do anything cool again yet. I'll keep waiting. I'll see if we can catch him.